Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Gridx token. Ticker symbol is GDX. This token is being listed today on a central exchange, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Gridx protocol token. So GDX is the ticker symbol. So this token is being listed today, March 20th, on a central exchange called Hotbit Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have a Hotbit account, I do have a Hotbit referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Hotbit referral code down there, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search GDX, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. And like I said, it gets listed today on Hotbit. So 9 a.m. UTC time is when it gets listed. So by the time I upload this video, it'll be almost ready to be listed on there. So perfect timing if you're a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber and you saw this video late, hit subscribe and you won't miss any more tokens. So their Twitter is at Gridex Protocol. They're verified with the blue check mark, and they're doing very well. They have 37,400 Twitter followers. Now, if you go to their webpage, gdx.org, you can find airdrop section, document section, white paper, audit. So they have an audit, blog, maker reward section, all sorts of stuff on here. So the Gridx Protocol is a permissionless and non-custodial trading protocol consisting of a set of persistent, non-upgradable smart contracts on the Ethereum blockchain. Unlike the current mainstream decentralized exchanges based on the automated market maker model, Gridx is based on order books. With our novel grid maker order book GMOB model, we have significantly reduced the resource consumption of running an order book based system, allowing us to deploy and run it on the Ethereum blockchain while making the gas cost comparable to that of AMMs. So the Gridx protocol is based on the GMOB model, and maker orders are similar to limit orders in the CLOB model. However, there are 3 distinct differences. Number 1 is maker orders in the GMOB model are bounded within a very narrow price range instead of a specific price. The percentage of a range is called a resolution. The upper and lower boundaries of every range are called the boundaries. Boundaries are similar to the ticks in Uniswap v3 but have different usage. So number 2, unlike limit orders, maker orders are never executed immediately and are added to the order book in the GMOB model. As maker orders add liquidity to the order book, the Gridx protocol awards maker orders with negative trading fees. Therefore, traders will be granted a maker fee when the maker order is executed. And lastly, number 3, a significant difference on the operation level between maker orders in the GMOB model and limit orders is that once the maker orders are filled, the user must manually execute the collect operation to get back the filled assets and the rewarded fees. So It goes over the terminology on here and notes. You can read about that on their white paper. There's all sorts of formulas on how the trading works and everything like that as well. So it says, in the following steps, maker and taker orders and sell and buy orders are respectively, and then it says, we assume the current price P, and then it goes over all the formulas, so that's how it's laid out. You can also look at grids and fee levels if you want to check that out as well. And there's a whole bunch of references section, and that's basically their entire white paper. So let's see what their document section looks like. Their docs section you can find at docs.gdx.org. So let's see here if it's the same idea. They go over technical references, overview. So Gridx protocol is a permissionless and non-custodial trading protocol. So it's kind of the same idea. It just goes over different stuff. So it has different sections here. So it has the core. The core source code consists of a single factory, the price oracle, a grid deployer, and the many grids the factory will create. A significant amount of care and attention has been given to the gas optimization in the core contracts and design of the grid price linear movement algorithm. Then they have the factory, which defines the logic and the generated grids. They have the grids, which primarily serve to aggregate and display all the makers and takers orders from the particular pair of tokens on the blockchain. And lastly, the oracle, which provides price and liquidity data useful for a wide variety of system designs. So it goes over all that type of stuff on their white paper and documents, but it doesn't have token information specifically on any of their documents or white paper. Now, if you go to gdx.org, that says on here, let's see if they have token info specifically about the token on here. They do have a roadmap starting with a release white paper, launch testnet, deploy Gridx on Arbitrum, Ethereum, Optimism, and Polygon. So it is a cross-chain tokenomics there. And then, yeah, launch testnet, launch mainnet. Okay, so the only place that has token info is on their webpage. That's where you can find it. It's not on any of their papers. So it says 7% goes to airdrops, 27% maker rewards, 36% goes to proof of stake rewards, 12% core contributions, 8% development, 5% marketing, and 5% goes to early investors. So that is the initial allocation of the token, and it has a maximum supply of 200 million tokens. And that's basically about it. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about Gridx and the Gridx token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is, and check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Hotbit one where this token just got listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.